Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off keyboard toolbar on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down and tap on General Management. From here, we scroll down and tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Then scroll down to the style and layout section and tap on keyboard toolbar. Tap on the toggle button to switch off or turn on the keyboard toolbar. Once it is on, then if you open up the notes, you can see on my keyboard here at the top there is a toolbar. And if I switch off keyboard toolbar, you can see the toolbar will be switched off and I will have more space at the top here. So again, we will turn on keyboard toolbar. We switch over and you can see at the bottom here, there are keyboard toolbars. So it will show emoji windows. I can turn that off. I can open the keyboard. I can open up the clipboard. I can open up my settings icon. I can tap on the more button, and here I've got more tools I can use: handwriting, one-handed keyboard, modes, extract text, keyboard size, text editing, Samsung Pass, and I can add in other shortcuts as well. And that's it. So tapping on this toggle button will allow you to turn off keyboard toolbar or switch it on. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.